I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am in my car, obviously. It is Wednesday the 10th of October and it is 10:43 a.m. so if I seem a little bit awkward, there are people around me and it's the first time I've ever like vlogged in a car. But yeah, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be just like a couple of days in my life. I am sitting outside the post office right now. It's kind of like a super gloomy day and I like low-key love it because it's like fall in America and it feels like fall here as well, so even though it's not fall, it's spring. So what I'm gonna do today is I am going to go right now and go to the post office and see if my passport has come, which I think it has, and then I'm going to just mail another package, and then I am hopefully gonna get my nails done and then do a little bit of work and hopefully see one of my friends this afternoon, but I don't know. But yeah, I also like bought a lot of furniture for my place in the last couple of days, and I did vlog that, and I vlogged like the whole process of me taking the furniture out and building the new furniture. So I built like 2 pieces of IKEA furniture all by myself, which was uncanny. So if I have any of that footage, I will insert it right now. But yeah, this morning also I got up and I had avocado on toast for breakfast, and that was really good. I have avocado on toast for breakfast like every day. So
I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it all.
Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I am going to get on with my day now. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but it's pretty insane. Here it is. I am so excited about this because now it means that I can go traveling finally. Yay. Okay, so this lighting and angle is horrific, but I forgot to mention before that I actually have to call the dentist and make an appointment because I got my retainer put in a couple of days ago, I think, and the left side of it is completely loose, so I have to go to the dentist again. And I think the reason why I like all these things, oh you guys, I have to tell you a story, because the story of Ruksha's retainer, but I'll just call them first. That is the first time the dentist has not answered my phone call. I feel kind of rejected. Anyway, so story time is that my I had braces like ages ago, and my retainer broke, and I was eating like a piece of corn or something, and I completely swallowed the retainer. So that is why I have a new retainer in my mouth, and now I got a new one and it's loose, and I hate the dentists that just put their hands into my mouth, and I'm not about that life. So I guess I'll call them later, doesn't matter. So I am back from my little endeavors. I ended up getting my toenails done and not my fingernails done, But I did do some shopping and I wanted to show you the stuff that I got from shopping, so let's do it. I ended up getting 5 of these jars to put like food in. And yeah, I got this idea from Annie Jeffrey, so I got them like from my $2 shop and they look like pretty nice and sleek. So I got 5 of those. And then I got some stuff to put inside them. Just gonna take a seat here. Sorry, it's such a gloomy day today. Look at that. Crazy. So I got some organic cacao powder because that goes really nicely in to banana ice cream. And then I got some organic chia seeds because chia seeds are just really good for you. And everyone needs to have some chia seeds in their pantry. And last but not least, I got some hemp seeds. And I've heard that these are really good for protein. So popping them on top of oatmeal and stuff should be really, really nice. So that's like kind of the kitchen food stuff. I also went to Bed, Bath and Table and I got some really cool stuff, but I'll set you up properly and I'll show you that. Okay, so Bed, Bath and Table. So first things first, I got some coasters because I have this all like new nice white IKEA furniture that I want to keep coffee stains off of. So I bought these ones. They were $19.95 Australian dollars and $24.95 New Zealand dollars. I'm not sure how much they would be in US dollars, but I'm sure you guys would get it like much cheaper because our dollar is like, is it inferior? Yeah, our dollar is inferior. And this is from the brand Morgan & Finch. So yeah, oh, these are really, they're made of glass. Love it. Oh, these are prettier than I actually thought they would be from the packet. So I'm really glad I got these. And then I got this like little jewelry holder and I'm planning to like put my earrings in here. I'll show you. And it's like got these mirrors all around it, which I think is super pretty. So you just take your earring off and then hopefully stick it in here. And then it like displays it nicely for you. So yeah, and this was again 20 Australian dollars but 24.95 New Zealand dollars. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna wash all of these containers and like take all the plastic out of them. Like, I mean, these are cheap, like they're cheap containers, so the quality isn't the best, but I think like you get a product that looks quite nice. For like one of them was just $2.50, so I like it.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze. Hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe songs, finding hidden caves. All the wet stones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. Listen to old songs in headphones. Don't wanna wake up tomorrow. I know a place, would you like to go? You love the view from up there, I know. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
Hey guys, and welcome back. We are again in my car because I am going to go grocery shopping right now. Today is October the 11th. It's about 12 in the afternoon. Yesterday I just hung out with my friend and we just watched the forest and it was really nice, but now I'm gonna go to the grocery store. And there's just people that came out of the lift, which was really embarrassing.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so I am back from the grocery store. I just want to show you what I got. I got these Shelby's almonds. I tried the raspberry one and I really like them. And the ingredients in this are really good. It's just like dark chocolate, ground espresso beans and almonds, which is good. And then I got these certified organic corn chips. This is my little treat. I really shouldn't be having these corn chips, but sometimes you just need a little bit of a corn chip treat. I usually get the quinoa ones from Coles, but I went to Woolies today. Organic green beans. I don't really have to explain that. Some bananas. These aren't organic, but I think my general rule is that if you don't eat the skin of them, then it's okay for them not to be organic. I don't know, do your research. A mango, because these are in season right now, and this one looks so tasty. I'm not sure what that red circle is, but it looks so good. 3 avocados, because these are my love. I got this drink. This is a orange and mango natural mineral water. Again, this is not the best thing to drink, but I like it sometimes. I got some certified organic basmati rice, some organic mini apples, a cucumber, they didn't have any organic cucumbers, so I'm just going to peel the skin off this one. And organic butternut pumpkin, which I'm excited to eat.